How to check eToro withdrawal status. So at first, visit the eToro website and log into your account using your name and password. Once logged in, find and click on the portfolio or trade section. Then look for a tab or section related to your withdrawal history. In the withdrawal history section, you will see a list of your withdrawal transactions. Find the specific withdrawal you are interested in and review its status. You can also check your withdrawal status on your Gmail. If you need any support, you can contact with customer service, who can solve the problems very easily. Thanks for watching.